People always ask me, what is it? What is it for? Who should buy this? This is called the One. It's our personal flasher from AutoTuner. It allows you to read and write a car from distance. It's the final user, the owner of the car, who's going to tune his car using his smartphone, your file, and the One. So what do you get in the box? You get either 10 or 100 units, depending on your order. You get the protective cases with the One inside. You get the stickers with your own logo. You get the sleeves, and you even get the envelopes. So you only have to write the address of your customer, put a stamp, everything inside, and post it. It's a white label product. So here, the AT logo you see is the last one you're gonna see. After that, everything is yours. The hardware can be customized with your branding, and also the app is fully customized with your colors and your logo. So who is supposed to buy this product? Three kinds of people. First, you are a file provider. You already supply files to your different slaves. It's a B2B business. And you would like to expand your business and add the B2C to your portfolio. Then the One is the perfect product for you. You can reach whoever you want in the world. Second, you've got a shop. You already do some remapping and you have many demands, many requests from people who live far from your shop. So they cannot bring their car to your shop and you need to reach them. And third, you are an influencer, you have a big community of car enthusiasts, and you would like to add some product to your channel and make some revenues. Then this is a perfect product for you. You find a file provider, we can advise you one if you don't know any, and you can sell it, promote it to your community. What are the advantages of the One? Well, there are many. First, it's an AutoTuner product, which means that it's really simple to use, the interface is user-friendly, and it's a good value product. Talking about the price, how much does it cost? Well, the hardware costs 49 euros, and then you have an activation fee, and the price depends on the quantity that you order. If you order 10, it's a 150 euro activation, it's a one-time purchase. If you order 100 units, the price goes down to 130 euro, okay? There is no annual subscription, of course it's an AutoTuner product, and there is also another big advantage. It's a really safe product. Why? We made the protocols bulletproof. Since it's a B2C product, we had to add many securities to avoid any issues, especially when you know that it's going to be far from your location. We also added the cross-flash security. What is it? Today you tune the car of your customer. Then in 3 months, you go to service his car and the dealership makes a software upgrade. Then he drives back home and say, oh, I lost some power. Then he's gonna say, oh, I'm gonna rewrite the file that the tuner sent me 3 months ago. The software version is not the same anymore. But with the One, we added a security that will always double check the software versions that you are trying to write, compare with the write into the ECU, and if there is a difference, it will tell you, hey, you cannot do that. Now that you purchase your kit, I'm gonna show you what the next steps are. Hello, I'm you. So you now sold your first AutoTuner One. Congratulations. Now you're gonna activate it. For that, you're gonna open the One, and in the protective case, you're gonna have the ID of the One. First, you're gonna log in to the IT Cloud to collect two information. The first one is the list of devices to make sure that the one you're trying to activate is not activated yet. The second is your tuner ID. The tuner ID is the person who's going to supply the files to the end user of the One. So it can be either you or another tuner if you are reselling those products. So you collect those information, you copy them, and then you log in to the web shop. There, you're going to see the official dealer on the top left. You're going to see One software activation. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to select the ID in the list of the available dongles. Then you can add your tuner ID or the one of your customer, and then add it to the basket and pay using credit cards, PayPal, bank transfer, whatever. So now that you activated your One, I'm going to show you how to prepare and how to ship the parcel to your final user. So let's go back to the content of the package. First, you take your sticker, here you go. Then you take the label with the One ID. So you've got two of them. One is for the customer, one is for you. You're gonna stick it on the side of the sleeve. This you save it for yourself. You pack the one. So now you add the sleeve around the case and you put everything into the envelope. Here you go. Now the last step, I close the envelope, I add the sticker here. I write down the address, I put a stamp on it, and now I bring it to the post office. So now let's take the example of Renato, my customer, who is about to receive his personal flasher. Oh, he seems to be happy. Now he's gonna check the content of the package. Oh, he already noticed the QR code that he's gonna scan to install the app. The app is available in the App Store and in the Android store. Now he's gonna install the app on his smartphone and follow the different steps and instructions to create his account. Okay, so now I see that he's all set with the account creation, and the app is asking him to get to his vehicle to pair the dongle with the car. Okay, let's go, Renato. Now you can plug the dongle, the personal flasher, to the OBD port. The second step is to enable Bluetooth and location in the app. Okay, all good. Now the third step is to turn on the ignition. Hey, Renato, I said ignition, not engine. Okay, now the last step is to disable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Okay, all good. Now he's pairing the dongle with the app. Okay, now he's requiring the Bluetooth pin. The Bluetooth pin, you can find it easily on the label that is stick on the sleeve. It's also written on the hardware itself. There's an automatic identification of the car. This is the beauty of it. Okay, we found the right one. Now, Renato, you can confirm that this is your car. Proceed. Okay, now, Renato, you have two options. You can either chat with me, or you can either read the car or data log the car. Data logging will be asked by your tuner if required. Now you can proceed to read the car. Follow the instructions. Check all of them step by step. Hey, are you sure? Look at your passenger seat. Yes. Battery charger is mandatory. Now you can check the box and go to the next step. Please note that it's important to stay in the vehicle and not to leave it during the reading or writing. Okay, so now you're done with the reading. What you have to do is send it to me, and I will automatically get the file on my interface. Okay, Renato, so now I receive your file, I will download it and make it a stage 1 as requested, and then send it back to you using the chat, so it will appear on your chat with my message. Hello Renato, as requested, here is your stage 1 file. Keep me posted if you need anything, and enjoy! Okay, Renato, so now that you have received the file, go to the chat, select the file, connect my flasher, check the steps, and don't forget, not the engine, only the ignition. Now, Renato, you have the three options. You can read again, but it's not necessary. Then you can write or data logging. Here, you want to write your stage 1. In this example, you have only one file available because it's the very beginning. But it can be that in the future, we exchange different files and you can find the 5 last files available. You can choose any of them. Again, all the safety instructions. I guess you know them now. It may require several times to switch from Bluetooth to Wi-Fi. Just accept it. During the process, you can see on your dashboard that multiple DTCs pop-ups. It's okay, it's normal, don't worry. Okay, so as requested, just turn off and turn on the ignition. As you could see, it was really easy and really smooth for Renato. He can now enjoy his Audi S3 with a stage 1. If you are also interested in the product, please do not hesitate. Go to our website and send us an email. Thank you for watching and see you soon.